Hello and welcome back. If this is your first time here, I am Dr. Stock, Doctor of Education. In this video, I'm talking about 3 more long plays. This one again is for the Bulls. Sorry, Bears. These are some of the best stocks to buy now, in my opinion. So when you look at these, this does not mean to buy them. I am not advising that you buy or sell or anything. They're just opportunities that I found. You got a nice long weekend to do your work, to do your research, and I will be using the MooMoo app in this video. So if you want access to it and get some free stocks on top of it, down in the description, you'll find a link that can get up to 17 free stocks by doing so. And I will tell you more about that as we get through this video. For now, let's get right into the stocks, and the first one that I have for you is ticker symbol GNRC. This is Generac, and you can see they've had quite a time of it recently throughout the pandemic, peaking out at over $500 per share. I want to look more recently to see that they actually did bottom out already. They're back up over their 50-day. It's been holding as support, and now they're finding resistance along the 200-day. If we're able to break up above that 200-day, then I believe that there's significant amount of upside to be found for Generac, at 10 to 20% once we break that 200 from where it's at right now. So as of right now, again, I want to be clear, we are at resistance. You can see in these most recent candles that we have here resistance for Generac, and we do have to break up above that before this really starts to play out and possibly even takes us to that golden cross moment and maybe even shows us a whole lot more performance out of this than just 10 to 20%. This could be an excellent swing trade opportunity, something you hold on to for maybe a few weeks or a few months if it's something that you're interested in, and if you also believe that it's going to play out. Again, never advice here, just I bring these opportunities to you, you do the work, you decide what you want to do about it, and if I helped, well, feel free to support the channel by hitting the like button, subscribe button, hitting that notification bell, and I do have links down in the description, like I said, where there are other ways that you can not only support yourself, but also support this channel as well. Let's move on from there to GEN. So this one is, I always forget the name of this one. Give me one moment. This one is Gen Digital. And these are pure technical plays. When I look at these are not fundamental analyses that are taking place. The thing that I like about this is the double bottom that we had right around 1533 when you look at these charts. So that double bottom followed by bouncing back off of that, back up over the 50-day, which was acting as resistance. That resistance has been broken, and now we're zipping along towards that 200-day. I think we have room up to the 200-day from where we're currently at right now, which could be about a 5% gain. And then on top of that, if that momentum does continue, then it could possibly send us up above that 200-day, and then we start to experience a whole lot more upside from where we're at now if we're able to break through that resistance. In the meantime, I think that this is a very decent play. We have that very strong urge that we have here in a bullish direction, which we have had some of that play out, but I think that there's still more room for this to run and possibly leading us down the road to that golden cross moment. Even if, as of right now, we don't get that igniting sort of volume out of this, because right now we have a consolidating sort of volume, that igniting volume back here, which really allowed it to take off. We could still have that moment coming up sometime in the near future. I have exactly one more stock for you. This one's ticker symbol ATO. Boom, there we go. And this one, what I like about this one is that it just has a beautiful, almost textbook ascending triangle pattern, not to be confused with an ascending wedge. An ascending wedge is a reversal pattern where even though the stock looks bullish, it can flip around and be bearish to us. This one is an ascending triangle, and so that is different. So let me pop this up here. As a matter of fact, I can even extend this back a little bit further. You can see the clear, solid resistance that we have at just under $119 per share. As a matter of fact, it $119.90 right here on February 2nd. So on Groundhog's Day, it found its highest point that we've had recently. And so it is possible that we continue to put pressure on and that we break above that. We are above the 200-day and the 50-day. And we also have this amazing technical play coming out with the ascending triangle that it is possible that we break above that and see strong upside coming out of this. So this is Atmos energy that we're looking at right here, ticker symbol ATO. All right, so this video, I said that I'd be showing you MooMoo and telling you about those free stocks. So in MooMoo, here's how you get those free stocks by using the link down in the description. With my link, you get stocks that are valued between $3,000 and $2,000. If you deposit $100 more, you get 5 free stocks, $100 cash reward. So by depositing $100, you can now trade with $200. And you get a free share of C3I, which is still up over $40 per share. So that's $240 of value just by making a deposit of $100, which is still your cash. So there's nothing to lose with that. You're not only getting access to that free share, the cash reward, but also a wonderful trading platform that I use myself. So then there's also $1,000, 16 free stocks, $100 cash reward. And then if you deposit $5,000 or more, you get 16 free stocks, still the $100 cash reward. But then on top of that, a share of Tesla, wonderful company, or Google, again, a wonderful company, both that I think have significant upside from where they're at right now. So that's the offer from MooMoo. Hopefully that you guys like the stocks that I have. If you see what I see, let me know down in the comments. If you just want to say hello or a thank you or how you doing, or if you want to know my secret, I got it right here, Magic 8 Ball in my hand. So Magic 8 Ball. Will these 3 stocks do well for me? It says it is certain, and let me see, how can I do this for you guys? Camera. Boom. All right. I promise I didn't rig this. And this is probably the most certain sort of magic that we have, is the Magic 8 Ball. So probably the best stock market predictor that's out there. There we go. And it didn't want to zoom for me. There we go. You got it. It's official from Dr. Stock's Magic 8 Ball that he has right here. All right. So if you like my commentary, you'd like to hear more of it, there's a link for Patreon down in the description. Click sign up, get access to my Patreon exclusives and access to my private Discord where you can interact with me and my community members throughout the trading day. Also, that link for MooMoo, please don't forget about it. Those free stocks there waiting for you, supporting yourself, getting a lot of awesome benefits out of it, and then it also helps keep the lights on here over at the Dr. Stock studio, helps put food on the table. I really do appreciate it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I am Dr. Stock, Doctor of Education. Remember, my friends, learning is earning.